All right, so we're at the Tampa Show 2022. We want to take a look at some entry-level units because it's not always about the $150,000, $160,000 fifth wheels. So you don't necessarily have to break the bank to get into RVing. So let's look at this Grand Design Imagine XLS 22RBE and see what it's got to offer. All right, so this is a 2022 Grand Design Imagine XLS. Super Show price is over there, $37,995, so that's pretty good. Lazy days. Let's see, it is 22, 23-ish feet long. Looks like fiberglass laminated sidewalls. I don't see an Asdale sticker on it. A little fiberglass front cap. This is textured down here below. 220-pound propane tanks, power jack. Comes with one battery. Oh, let's see if they got any numbers on this thing over here. Weight of cargo should never exceed 1,699 pounds. And gross vehicle weight rating is 8,995 pounds. So this side over here is pretty clean. Got one slide on the other side. Let's open up. It's a little difficult to see everything. All right, you got your water base right there. And a good pass-through storage. It looks like a solar charge converter is up there as well. So a good bit of, pass-through space. These aren't super thick baggage doors, but they're not going to be. Not at this price range, but they still feel pretty decent. Goodyear tires, so I'm glad to see that on a trailer of this price range. Just a standard equalizer in there, no upgrade there. You're going to back up your furnace, your valves there. Looks like you got a black tank flush, LED lights in the rear. It's going to be a 30-amp plug. You do have a ladder, so it is a walk-on roof. Spare tire, stabilizer jacks. On those are, let's see, are they power on the other side or are they manual? Probably manual. Yep, manual jacks, but you run those down with a drill and socket. Looking over here on this side, you got a Solera power awning, pretty much covers this whole side. Single Schwintek slide coming out here. Probably hookups here for your TV. It's prepped for TPMS. Regular aluminum steps. And the standard entry door. Here again, there's the model number and the price here at the show. All right. So let's take a look inside and see what we come up with.
How the hell do you open a fridge?
Oh. Knock, knock.
From the other side?
I can't see the flag, so I don't know which way to turn. I'm facing the speaker that it's coming out of.
There's a flag right there.
Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. America!
Alright, hi guys, welcome.
Alright, so we got the lights on in this little thing. What we found in here?
Okay, so let's start out here in the kitchen area.
And the living room.
And the living room.
That's alright.
What a great open space this is. So you have a electric recliners here with some
electric.
with some heated seats in the slide. In this unit might be really small.
It's got a lot of space in it.
And only 22 feet. But look at the counter space in here. This has more counter space than our rig.
This thing is enormous.
So you have a TV with these little openings on the side, these little cabinets.
Yeah.
Great storage space. Lots of nice deep drawers.
Yep.
You have a 3-burner stove with a small oven and the drawer underneath. You have a very large farm-style kitchen sink with some overhead cabinets. I like this little accent piece that they have put on here. It kind of
It's a really nice floor plan.
It is nice. You have a Furrion cooktop with a high point microwave. Here is your control panel when you come in.
The lights and everything. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's very nice. This is actually laid out. This is way bigger inside than you would ever think.
Right. I mean, there's so much space in this.
Yeah.
And it has a little extra counter space there.
Yep.
I do like the little bungee cords that everybody is going to hold the doors open.
Yeah.
So this is a north-south bed.
Okay. Stick it in
You
here.
have room to walk all the way around.
Wow, yeah, that's got some cubbies on each side for your little CPAPers.
Or your phone.
Fighter
and
pilot.
some charging ports.
Nighttime fighter pilots.
You have a drawer space and hanging closet on both sides, and again with some overhead storage.
Hey, man.
You also,
Oh,
you also have some under the bed storage.
okay.
And here is your table.
There's a
for
table.
Your dinette. for your
Yeah,
kitchen table.
and that, I guess that thing probably slides back and forth to the left and to the right. This drawer. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Who'd have thunk it? Who'd have thunk it? So, I mean, really, these are nice hinges. You can tell that this is, covered particle board as far as the cabinets, but the hinges and the hardware
Are gonna
are pretty nice. It's not, solid wood, but the fridge kind of opens weird. But that's all right.
Is this just a 12 volt?
It is a Dometic 12 volt fridge.
So this is a Dometic 12 volt fridge.
Mm-hmm.
I-
That's the thing these days.
It is the thing. So I would have liked to have seen them have the door open on the other side because that would just make more sense for the kitchen, or to have one of those doors that open on either side. That would be a really cool idea. But then you have this bathroom that is really large for a trailer this size.
I mean, see if we can undo the bungee. Undo the bungee. That whole thing just...
Yeah, so you have
It's a big sliding door.
sliding barn door.
Yeah. All right, let's open it up.
It has a magnetic catch on it.
So a really respectable size shower. A lot of room in there. Plenty of room for me. I'm 6'2" and
Right, and then you have this giant storage space above the sink and below the sink and a drawer, and this is amazing.
Countertop space.
Amazing storage and space in this compact unit.
So I'll have to.
Has a porcelain
toilet. So it's got some degree of solar prep. I'll have to say that Grand Design has really done an excellent job with laying this little trailer out, because $37,000 and you could take this thing all over the place, man.
There's a lot of bang for your buck.
There's a lot of space in this trailer. So if you're looking for a short trailer and you don't want to spend a lot of money, you should definitely look at these Grand Design Imagine XLS models, because they are pretty spacious on that side. All right, so that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We got lots more coming, so make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment on the amazing job we're doing.
Hit the notification bell.
Ding, ding, ding. And we'll see you next time. Until next time, take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count. See you next time, guys.